All right, guys, so my fuel pump went out on the RSX. We recently swapped it with the K28-2, and it has the K28-3 base fuel pump. Might be the same as the Type S, but I'm assuming it has different demands, you know, because it's not a higher revving engine. But to get to the fuel pump, you have one bolt that you get in between the seats right here. Just to get to it, all you gotta do is just literally, obviously, fold your seats down, and then you can bend this thing over, and then you have access to your bolt down there. Let's see, better view right there. Or you can just kind of shimmy your way through right here. But once it's off, you literally can just lift one clip right here, one clip on the other side, and then just lift straight up. And then you do have a little hook right there, so you kind of have to like lift it up and like off of it, you know. So you just do that, and then you can get it out.